So this is the new Lectra. It comes in a box with the head, the top wheels with the flapper, the net bag, the pre-filter bag we call it also, brush, and the main pole. So how do we assemble it? First of all, the net bag goes in here. The top head clips on, and if you want to use the brush, you can just clip it on. It's pretty simple. There you go. After you screw on the top head to the main body, this is the propeller that that attracts the water into the main body. Okay, once you've screwed in the head, you can open your battery compartment and add 8 fresh AA batteries here. Then you can put it back in. And you can adjust the size of the pole according to the size you need for your pool. And the pole goes up to 1.50 meters, which is 5 feet. Let's say that. Once you've got the right length, you put the Lectra in the pool, and you press on the on/off button, which is on the top here, which is on the top of the broom, and you can just go ahead and it rolls and brushes in your pool. So with the brushes and the wheels that help it glide on the bottom of the pool. So how does it work? The water gets sucked in through this hatch here, and the debris also, so the sand and leaves or whatever, are going to be trapped in this net here before the water continues its path through to the propeller here, and then the filtered water goes out on the side here, on the side opening, so we can still see the propeller on the side. And then, yeah, you just have to empty this actually to empty the debris. It's pretty simple. That's it. Otherwise, with fresh batteries, it lasts around 1 hour, 30 minutes on fresh batteries. Yeah, and that's it, I guess.